Hello friends, today I'll tell you how to get these beautiful leaves under, you could say, 10 rupees or 5 rupees are these beautiful leaves you can see, and I have many of them like this. You could see they are pretty shiny and very good. Even you can get them free of cost also. It is an alternative for what you find these plants in shop malls and shops. Just let me know which one is better. Hopefully this one. And what you have to do is you have to go to a florist and ask them for these dried leaves. Okay, then he might be not using it because they are not useful at all for him. I got them at 5 rupees each. And what you have to do is that you need to buy a varnish, synthetic varnish, clear. You need to wash it first of all, clean it dry, and then you need to varnish it. This you will find this in a you could say any paint shop, and you can varnish it with a paint brush. You will get them with 30, 40 rupees, 50 rupees, and you varnish them. Rather than buying these around 300 to 400 each stick, these are also very beautiful, but you can have the same thing. A bunch of them I have already done earlier before, like this. You can see the shine in those. That is because of the wood varnish, and this too. Now you could see how beautiful they are looking all together comparative to these two. This is, you can then put it in a flower vase. This is one of the flower vase. You can assemble it like this, all together. Like this and like this. It's so simple and it is costing nothing. Like this, a bunch of, let's say all of them in this manner. Thanks, that's all. Bye.